Rakuten Credit Card. In today's video, we are going to learn how to pay Rakuten Credit Card bill. So let's get started. The process is simple. You can pay your bills through automatic withdrawal by registering your personal bank account. There are two ways: online banking. Linkage service is the first way you can register your bank account on the internet. It is more speedy than using the form. However, it is necessary that your bank holder's name must be the exact name as your cardholder name, and if you are not in this case, you need to register it with the bank application form. It will take only a few minutes to process. When you complete the process by 10th, an automatic withdrawal service begins from that month. You can also click on this link mentioned on their page to go to the process. The second option is using payment through convenience store option. If you do not set your bank account for automatic withdrawal, you can pay bills through banks or convenience stores. They will send you the transfer forms before the 27th. Please pay at the convenience stores or banks using these forms. They recommend that you enroll in the automatic withdrawal option as payments through convenience stores that will incur installment fee. So this is how the forms look. You just have to fill out all of these details, and once you have done, the process is completed, and that's how you will be able to pay Rakuten credit card bill.